On this, as you know, last week the 18th meeting of the WMCC took place, and during the meeting the two sides had a candid and in-depth exchange of views on the existing situation in the border areas. Both sides have reaffirmed that two sides will continue to sincerely work towards complete disengagement of the troops along the LAC in the western sector, in accordance with the agreements reached between the two foreign ministers and the two special representatives during the conversation on the 5th of July. I had conveyed earlier that complete disengagement requires redeployment of troops by each side towards their regular posts on their respective sides of the LAC. It is natural that this can be done only through mutually agreed reciprocal actions. Thus, it is important to bear in mind that achieving this requires agreed actions by both sides. In this context, in the last meeting of the WMCC, the two sides have agreed to resolve the outstanding issues in an expeditious manner and in accordance with existing agreements and protocols. Both sides also agree that full restoration of peace and tranquility in the border areas would be essential for the overall development of bilateral relations. The two sides had also agreed to continue their engagements both through diplomatic and military channels. I would also refer you to the recent interview of External Affairs Minister, wherein, referring to various past border incidents, he had noted that what was common was that all border situations were resolved through diplomacy. EM had further noted that when it comes to finding a solution, this must be predicated on honoring all agreements and understandings and not attempting to alter the status quo unilaterally.